Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afzalina. I want to talk about the little red bird. Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there was a little red bird who lived all alone. The bird had bright red feathers that shone in the sunlight. Every morning, the little bird woke up early to sing a beautiful song. Its melody filled the forest and made the animals happy. The little red bird loved its forest. It enjoyed flying from tree to tree, feeling the cool breeze on its wing. The bird would often watch the squirrels as they collected acorn and the rabbits hopping around in the tall grass. Life in the forest was peaceful and full of wonder. One day, as the little red bird was flying high above the trees, it noticed something unusual. Far away, near the edge of the forest, smoke was rising in the sky. The bird grew curious and decided to fly closer to see what was happening. When it reached the edge of the forest, the little red bird saw that a group of people was cutting down the trees. Big machines were roaring loudly, and the trees were falling one by one. The forest animals were running in the fear, trying to find a new place to hide. The little red bird felt sad. It didn't want this forest to disappear. It knew that if the trees were gone, many animals would lose their homes. The bird flew back to its favorite tree in the middle of the forest and sat there quietly, thinking of a way to help. The next morning, the little red bird woke up with an idea. It decided to fly to the nearby village to see if the people there could help save the forest. The bird flew over the hills and fields until it reached the village. It perched on a tall pole in the middle of the town square and started to sing its most beautiful song. The villagers heard the bird song and came out of their houses. They looked up at the little red bird and listened. The song was so sweet and sad that it touched their hearts. The bird sang about the forest and how the trees were being cut down. It sang about the animals who needed this forest to survive. The villager understood the messages in the bird song. They realized that the forest was important not just for the animals, but also for their weather and the beauty in both to the world. The villager decided to take action. A group of them went to the edge of the forest and talked to the people cutting down the trees. They explained why the forest need to be protected. Some of the workers agreed to stop cutting down the trees, while others decided to plant new ones to replace the ones that had been lost. Over time, the forest began to heal. The little red bird continued to sing every morning, and its song reminded the people to care for nature. The forest animals slowly returned, and the forest became lively again. The little red bird was happy. It knew it had made a difference. Even though it was small, its actions had helped save the place it loved the most. And so the little red bird kept flying through the forest, spreading joy and hope with its song.